Hey guys, Tudor Jones here. Just thought I'd quickly share some Facebook marketing strategies with you today. Most of you know that Facebook is the #1 social media site in the world, with over 1 billion users worldwide. Now, the average user spends 20 minutes per visit online, which obviously gives you an amazing opportunity to target potential customers with your offer. People visiting Facebook are engaged. This is going to allow you to target people with very specific interests. No other website provides this kind of opportunity. Even if you want to target in a very, very tiny niche, you can easily generate laser targeted traffic and target people with specific interests. Now, one of the most powerful ways to generate traffic on Facebook is to use groups. You will want to join as many groups as possible in your chosen niche. You should be looking to consistently add as many people as possible in that niche. You can also look to create your own groups and add as many people as you can to those groups. Obviously, one of the best ways to generate sales on Facebook is by creating viral posts. A good idea is to create a video or a photo with a catchy hook. Also, you can use catchy images with bright colours, maybe reds and yellows. And the most effective way of doing this is probably to add those photos and attach a video to accompany the post. Now, this will make you look like an authority in your niche. Now, at the bottom of the post, you will have informed your audience to comment info, and I'll send you the link. And when you get people commenting on your links, you're going to want to send them to a private message with some more details and to link to the bonus or product that you're selling. Hopefully you will have created a landing page to collect emails before sending them to the product. Now, once you've sent them the private message, you'll then need to inform them that you've sent it, responding, "I have sent you a private message." As sometimes when you send the message into the inbox, it'll fall into the message request folder rather than the inbox itself. You'll notice a lot of people who post on the groups aren't getting the engagement that they would like. This is because they allow their posts to die and drift away. The sure way to sort of deal with this problem is to sort of keep the engagement going by liking every comment, replying to every comment, and even commenting on your own post to keep it near the top of the page. Another trick that I've used in the past is to create 2 or 3 fake Facebook profiles and engage with your post using these profiles. If you're using this method, you just need to make sure that you do not use a profile picture that shows a clear image of your face. The reason for this is because Facebook will believe that someone is trying to imitate you, which may result in your Facebook profile getting deleted, and you might end up in the dreaded Facebook jail. A good thing to do is also to create your own Facebook group. This way you can attract loyal connections and customers to your business. Your group is, as much as your website is, your group is your hub. So you want to add as many people as you can to the group. Now, you'll have to be very committed to adding consistent value to your group as your followers look to you as an authority figure. Once your followers begin to like and trust you, it is likely that they will begin to purchase products that you will be promoting. As you look to sort of build your presence and authority on Facebook, you will have to build connections, gather followers, and engage with other marketers. It's a good idea to post messages on popular feeds and viral content. Do not make these messages obvious advertisements. Instead, just kind of try to make them constructive and intelligent, while at the same time relating to the content. You'll need to be active on feeds that relate to whatever you're promoting, and you've got to be willing to interact with other users. Using Facebook groups with the viral post strategy is a simple way to generate thousands on Facebook, and it's an easy and particularly effective way to make a quick and sustainable online income. Okay guys, I hope I've been able to provide some value to you today. keep checking out my content, and hopefully I can keep teaching you a thing or two about affiliate marketing. Okay, guys, I'll catch you soon.